Sounds good. We'll keep an eye out there. We also have breaking news in the penalty phase, part of the trial for the Parkland school shooter. The defense saying today they are ready to rest their case.
The announcement surprising prosecutors. Let's go now to Local 10 News reporter Christina Vasquez.
She's right there in the courtroom when the defense made that shocking announcement. I bet everybody was really taken aback by this one.
You have that exactly right. This was clearly not anticipated by anyone. In fact, really catching the judge, even the prosecution, off guard. Take a look.
The day after presenting its 26th witness,
let's bring the jury in, please.
the defense with an announcement.
Your Honor? Yes? At this time, the defense rests.
That stunned the courtroom.
State, are you going to have anything ready for today?
No.
In part because the defense had previously stated they planned to present upwards of 80 witnesses.
We're waiting for 40 more witnesses.
And then a testy exchange between the judge and the Parkland shooter's lead defense attorney.
This is the most uncalled for, unprofessional way to try a case. You all knew about this, and even if you didn't make your decision until this morning, to have 22 people plus all of this staff and every attorney march into court, be waiting as if it's some kind of game. Now I have to send them home. The state's not ready. They're not going to have a witness ready. We have another day wasted. I honestly have never experienced a level of unprofessionalism in my career. It's unbelievable.
I have been practicing in this county for 22 years.
You know what? I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
Well, Judge, you're insulting me on the record in front of my client, and I believe that I should be able to
Okay, you can do that later. You can make your record later, but you've been insulting me the entire trial. So, blatantly, taking your headphones off, arguing with me, storming out, coming late intentionally if you don't like my rulings. So, quite frankly, this has been long overdue. So please be seated.
The judge then questioning the defendant.
Mr. Cruz, please raise your right hand.
About whether he understands and agrees with his defense team's strategy.
Your lawyers have indicated that you're going to rest your case.
Yes, I have.
And have you had enough time to consider this decision?
Yes.
Are you comfortable with this decision? Is there any witness that you know of, either listed or not listed, that you feel needs to be called by your lawyer or lawyers that has not already been called?
No, ma'am.
And do you understand, we had a motion about your brother testifying, and his lawyer came, and we had a hearing on it, and based on your decision to rest, your brother's not going to be testifying. Do you understand that? And do you understand
And the prosecution also read into the record a list of all the defense witnesses that the jury will now not hear from him. And then the judge, again with the defendant in this case, just pressing and asking and making sure he understands and getting any clarity. Are there any of these witnesses that you are wondering why your defense team may not be presenting? After going through that process, Nicholas Cruz ends by telling the court, quote, I think we're all good here. So moving on to the public trial schedule. So what happens next? As the judge explained to the jury in this case, the jurors will come back on September 27th. That's when the state will start what it expects to be a week-long process of its rebuttal case. Now, in the way that works is the state does have an opportunity in rebuttal to call witnesses, and essentially the point of that part of this trial process is to refute any evidence presented in the defense case. That moves us from that point into closing arguments, which are expected to be scheduled the week of October 10th, and the judge reminding the jurors in this case that once they get into deliberations, they will be sequestered. Coming back out to me live, or I can say the very next immediate thing without the jurors in this case is Monday in the afternoon. All the parties will reconvene for a pretrial hearing. Reporting live for you, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.
What a testy exchange there in court. All right. Thank you, Christina.